What's up, you guys? Welcome back to another gear review brought to you from Camp House with Jay. A company reached out to me a couple weeks ago and asked me if I would review their portable smoker. And I figured, why not? If this is the solution to prevent me from burning my steaks on a campfire grill, then I will gladly do it. And that's what we're going to do today. Next weekend, though, we're going to be back on a normal camping schedule. And boy, do I have such a fantastic spot picked out for you guys. Please stay tuned to watch that full episode. But let's get back to the smoker. Alright, so this is how it's shipped. It is obviously shipped in a box. You can get it from Amazon, but it is portable, so you have to build it and put it together. And all of this gets stored in a nice red bag. Zivs Portable Smoker is what it's called. They also give you a temperature gauge, a little shovel for your pellets, and a handle to pick up and put down the smoker top. So I'm going to start putting this together, and I'll get back to you in a few. So you can pick it up like this, so you can take it on and off. Flip over the top part, show you guys the temperature gauge right here. Alright, you guys, well, that's it assembled, and in a few minutes we're going to season some food and put it on the fire that we got going. And today we're cooking on an open fire. You can put it on any heat source though. You can put it on a grill, you can put it on a side burner, you can put it damn near anywhere that has a heat source. But today we're going to do a true open fire. And we're just going to wait for some of the wood to settle in before I put the grill grate on top of the fire pit. Catch you in a few. Alright, so the grate's down on the fire pit. We're going to get the food ready in a few minutes. So I'm going to add in about 3 or 4 spoonfuls of pellets. And we're going to let that cook up and heat up a little bit. Alright, you guys. So got a little bit of hickory flavored pellets that I borrowed from my Traeger grill, and we're going to throw it in right there, put the top on, and let this thing get up to temp. Usually I want to keep it around 200 degrees because that's the ideal smoking temperature, and then we'll throw some food on there and see how this bad boy does. Alright, you guys, we are ready to cook. You see the smoke coming out of the chimney over here? Let me swing around. We're at almost 255. So I'm going to take the top off, put a few burgers on there. Oh, look at that burger, you guys. Look at that. Look at that smoke ring around it. Okay, we're going to take a bite out of it. Delicious. It melted in my mouth. E-Z-Go Portable Smoker. You can pick yours up from Amazon.com, and it's at $95. It's cheap, it's great quality, and it makes delicious food. I'm going to leave a link down in the description below for you guys. Now, let me eat this in peace. Well, you guys, that was one tasty burger, and let me tell you, it was so tasty that we're on for round 2. So let's see how well this one turns out to be. We got a cheeseburger and a regular burger cooking. Catch back with you in a little bit. At that's one tasty looking burger. Wow. Oh man, this is already claimed, but you know, I'm gonna sneak a bite in there. Hopefully they won't see. Hang on. Look at that. Look at that smoke ring. That is delicious. That is one tasty burger. Zivs Portable Smoker. Amazon.com. Get one.